Hello grade 6, welcome to our next project for Bible class. This is called the newspaper article project. For this project, you are going to take the events that are happening in the book of John, like we learned about last quarter, and you are going to be a newspaper writer. You're going to be presenting them as if they're in the newspaper. I know you've been doing a lot of writing exercises in English class, and this is a great way for you to just develop those skills a little bit more. So you will be writing 2 newspaper articles, okay, on different parts of the book of John. So in class, before we start this project, we'll read through these chapters, kind of give you a little overview, and then you take a creative way of looking at it and then kind of like telling the news story. So you can obviously read the project for yourself, but I do want to make sure you understand a few key points. These dates, March 9, don't worry about those. Those are from last year, actually, so totally different. But the general requirements is you have to have it in a Word document or PDF to submit. You have to have your name, the date you wrote it, the title, 12 point, and it has to be 350 words. I know you guys can do that because you do it for me in other classes all the time. But for both articles, these things stay the same. The first article is on what's at the beginning of the story. So Article 1, it's got to have the title or something creative like it, Miracle Worker Lets Friend Die. So this is a story about some friends of Jesus who call him to come and heal Lazarus who's sick. Jesus goes a little too slow and Lazarus dies. So you are reporting on it. Remember, you are just reporting the facts, okay? What you see, you might know how the story ends, but that's not for this newspaper article. That's for article number 2. You tell catch the reader's attention. Maybe include other times where Jesus did something similar, or maybe the important facts of things that are happening. Where's the location? How many kilometers did he have to travel? Who are these people? Why is it so important that he goes there? Important details, important facts. Then, for article number 2, same thing. Your newspaper, maybe we'll print this out or publish it or something, but it's about what happened after Jesus went there, right? After he raised him from the dead. So death, weeping, and back to life. Why did it happen? You can come up with a creative title for it if you don't like it, but these are the things you need to tell us, right? Your opinions and your thoughts on it. So you're giving us the hard facts, objective reporting, and then it's an editorial article, which means it's you giving your commentary, your thoughts, your opinion. So what's the purpose of the story? What's it supposed to teach humans? What do we learn about God? How do we learn about God's relationship with us through this? And, right, what happened? And why is it so amazing? If you have questions, you can always ask me in class, but I will refer you to here. You do have to use real words. You do have to use complete sentences. 350 words, that might be 2 paragraphs. Okay. See you next time.